You have decided you would like to become an eyelash artist, but there's so many different choices, there's so many different schools and trainers everywhere, and there is a big price differences for some reason. They're all doing some different stuff as well, different lashes. How to actually find out who you want to be trained with and to make sure that you're not wasting your money and time for it. Number one, make sure you check their work. You need to know who you're gonna be trained with and make sure you actually see that person's work. Some of the bigger schools, they have the different trainers training. I would recommend to actually check who you're going to be trained with and to see that personal trainer work and what they do and maybe their reviews or so. The second thing I would check if your trainer is still taking the clients themselves. I think it's important to learn from someone who is actually doing that work every single day and who has experienced so many different problems and cases and everything that you will be able to learn from. Next and very important point to check if your course is accredited and if you will be legally able to work. And the last thing to check, but it's nearly the most important as well, it's just to check that personality, who you're going to be trained with. Do you actually like them? Do you like how they speak? Do you agree with what they say? You really need to feel that and you really need to kind of click with that person in a nice way just to get trained and to be able to soak in that information from them as well. Okay, I hope that really helped you and good luck.